Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create transparent background for our image in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my design in my Canva, and if we want to create transparent background for our image, we can use background remover feature. So we can go to the apps menu, select apps, and then you have to search for the remove background option. Okay, we're going to use this feature to remove background from our video for free. From our photo for free. And I'm just going to select this one, background eraser. Okay, and you can choose the photo you want to make the background transparent. Okay, and I'm just going to choose my image. I'm going to go to the download folder and I'm going to select this one, click on open and click on remove background. Okay, and just wait for a moment, and as you can see guys, that now the background of this photo has become a transparent background. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create transparent background in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.